Hey everybody, Forrest here, ripping one box of 2021 Limited Football Hobby for Robert P. Thank you, Robert. Good luck. Let's see a big quarterback RPA. All right. Got Connor and Donald. First hit is rookie auto to 25, Frank Darby. Red Falcons foil color match there. Jamison Crowder and a tribute Christian McCaffrey. This might be the RPA. Yeah, looks like it. Ridley, there's Joe Mixon to 75. Keenan Allen, Taysom Hill. Oh no, it's a patch. It's 4 of 5. That's a nice one. Jacob Harris. There we go. 4 of 5. All right, RPA last pack. And it is Jalen Waddle to 49. Great patch on the Waddle. Awesome hit for you, Robert. 45 of 49. There's 4 colors on that. That's awesome. Great hit. Good box. Thanks again. We'll get it right out to you, man.